This is the other bank, the main bank of elevators at Francis Libermann Hall at Duquesne University in Uptown / Bluff, Pennsylvania. And take a look at this. We have triangle button Westinghouse. I was not expecting this at all. This sounds like Westinghouse. Otis sounds like the replaced door. I'm gonna guess it has some sort of slap on the inside, but still, the call ones are neat. Yeah, it's the same as the other one. The Epico Soft Plus by Schindler. Okay. Basement's locked on this one, so, or, no, I think the buttons just don't light up. Okay. Unfortunately, though, according to the sign outside, these are going to be getting modernized. So this will probably be my only ride on these in this state. I don't know if the other car's running, but this one is. Up to 7. Yeah, the other one goes to 8. This one doesn't go to 8. Yeah, it sounds like these are being modernized. Wow. Oh wow, look at that. And that's the counterweight. That is cool. These are neat elevators. These ones don't even have cameras like the other one. That's even cooler. You have a motor generator. Oh, that lights up. That's weird. It's a basic stainless steel cab. It's definitely have character. These are original besides the fixtures. I'm guessing there was a COP of some sort here. Probably, no 100% sure. Wow. You're back at 2. Yeah. August 2024 plate. I don't know if that one's under what the situation is. All right, that's it.